everybody, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma and I'm super stoked to actually film this video because it's a video that I want to make because I do love sharing like my space, like whenever I move anywhere abroad, and I've been wanting to do this room tour video, but anytime I just look at my apartment, I'm like, oh my god, it's so grimy. Oh my god, I'm over living inside this apartment. So I'm currently living in Prague. I'm in a 2-bedroom apartment. It's right at the city center. Like, I've never actually lived in the city center. I'm always like away from the city center, and I really wish this was like pre-COVID time because I really want to have that kind of city center experience. But thankfully, like, I don't know, the restrictions here are not like so rigid, so like I can still have that city center kind of vibe and experience, and I'm enjoying it so far. I currently live alone in a 2-bedroom apartment. My roommate is supposed to come, but like for some reason the Republic of Czech doesn't want to give her her visa, so I'm currently living alone. But I'm enjoying it. Funny enough, I'm actually enjoying it. Like, and also too, like, if you're looking at this my cap and you're like, oh my god, it's so funny looking on you, like, don't judge Mad Dog. That's the name of my cap. That's one. Two, all the hair is a mess. I can't pull this up. No, I look put together like this, and it's shocking. This is what put together looks like. Honestly, it's shocking. I'm so sorry that this intro is also to take it so long. Let's just get into it. Let's just start with the room, like the apartment tour. Let's begin. Shall we get into it? Let's go. Right as you walk in, like into the place, and this is it. It comes with a kitchenette and not an actual kitchen. Let me just close my door and I speak out loud because like I have neighbors. I've never seen my neighbor. It's always awkward. And whenever he's outside, I'm like, do I say hi? Do I not say hi? Like, what do I do? But this is the kitchenette. Initially, when I was thinking, like when I was trying to pick a place, I actually wanted a place with like a full-blown kitchen and like an aisle. But then it's still okay. It's a decent sized kitchenette and all that. And I got a blender. And like it has a lot of storage compartment. Like there's this storage here, there's another one here. I can't open it because hell is breaking loose. I've lived here like it's getting to 2 months. And then up there is where I keep like my Nigerian leaves and stuff like that. And then there's now this mirror that's here. I actually like this mirror that's here, but then I'm not a cleaning kind of girl. That's the problem. Like I'm not a cleaning girl, so this mirror has been high maintenance. I can't lie. Like I cleaned this mirror, and then over here is like the gas cooker. This wasn't actually here when I came, but unfortunately this is what happened. Note to self: you are capable of anything, including burning an egg. I was not supposed to boil it. Now I literally fried it. From that clip you can see I burn everything down to eggs. And then more storage space, and this is actually a fridge. It's a super mini fridge. Oh my god, I'm showing you the inside of my fridge, but okay, let's go there. But then this is what my fridge looks like. It was cleaner last week, honestly, but then this is what it is looking like. It's a very small fridge. I don't even know how I'm going to share with my flatmate when she does come, but it's okay. And then right beside the kitchen, as you come in, you actually get this door, and then this is what it looks like. I super love this. It's like a powder room, but like with the second sink, because our bathroom doesn't come with a second sink, and there's no toilet in our bathroom, and this is where the toilet is. And it's been super good. I've been going through a lot of toilet paper. Somebody needs to help that child, because the way I finish toilet paper is it's almost criminal, considering I'm the only one that's lived here and I've used 20 tissue paper. I've been counting. But yes, that's what it has been. A lot of toilet going. You live alone, so you have that luxury. That opens up to here. I super love this apartment. Like, it's a beautiful modern place, and you know, you just come in, and then You have this actually came with like the apartment, like for our coats and all that. It's like filled, and then down there, oof, I was supposed to take out that packer, but oof. And then it does come with the microwave. The place actually comes with the microwave, but like there's no space there. It was on the counter. The microwave was on the counter, but like there's no space to cut stuff, so I ended up putting it on the ground there. I was supposed to take it out, but in my head I was like, it's always there, and that is what my apartment looks like. And then over here it's the toilet, and I actually decided to film a film today just because my apartment is looking less grimy, and I'm so short, so I feel like let's do this. This is what the apartment is looking like. I swear there are a lot of like glass stains here. Glass, like the bathroom, I love this bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, like it's a vibe. I love the black, I love the mirror. I hate the fact that I have to clean the mirror 2 times a week just to make it clean, but like this is what it's looking like the place is gorgeous. Like forget the sponge, forget it. I'm like, I've turned this place into the ghetto. It is like if you come here when real life is actually happening, there are a lot of clothes here, bra, pants. Like I literally look like I'm selling stuff in the market, like I'm selling underwear in the market. Life. Then we'll move over to my room. I think if you watch my vlogs, you actually like have like clips and what here actually looks like. But this is always like where we start off the vlogs here in Prague. I love this mirror. I walk out here and I don't know, it's something about watching yourself walk out. You're just like, oh my god, look at those bros. But then again, you're just like, oh my god, I could actually do this in better form. I could actually also to look better. But today is Tuesday, like nothing is happening. We're only reading for classes for tomorrow. But like the apartment too is so beautiful. It really is. Ooh. Sorry. But then this is what the apartment looks like. It's super beautiful. The rooms are super beautiful too, and like the ceilings are high, and like look at that chandelier. It's all old school. I love it. I have a TV of my own, and then because like, you know, there's no sitting area or living area, this is kind of like the dining table. But like I eat here, I live here. This particular spot, if you're my Instagram, you know this table by now. Like you know this table. If you are my friend, you obviously know this table because this is where I talk to you. This is where I exist, basically. But then this table, I read here, I sleep here, I die here. And then this is the bed, and that's like the nightstand. My Bible is actually usually there. I just don't know where I dropped it because I was like trying to clean here and make it look nice. But like those are my notebooks. And that's the nightstand, and that's the reading table over there. And then you have like the beautiful view of outside. It's not super like, I don't know, bright today, but it usually is around, I don't know, 3 o'clock, but I couldn't wait to film till then. And then this is the reading table. This chair, let me not lie, this chair is the lowest chair I've ever seen in my life. Like is really low, so whenever I actually realistically want to use this table, I actually move this chair and then get the chair from the dining table side and sit here. But this is what it looks like, and this is my plant. Ooh, how can I actually forget? You guys, when I moved into this place, I actually thought it was a fake plant. It turns out to be real plant. Like this is an actual living plant. So like hashtag plant mom. Ooh, twinning. Ooh. And she's so low maintenance. This has actually grown out, like these 2 sticks, yeah, they've actually grown out in like the 7 weeks I've been here. And when I came here, these leaves are actually hard and like they look so fake, and I'm like, this is how I like it, artificial, because I'm not ready to water somebody's child, you know. And then they turned out to be real, and I'm like, do I water you now? I'm like, why will I do that? You've been thriving without water. Let's keep it going. And they're still thriving. Yes. Woo. And then I got some like workout stuff, because like I live alone, I barely move, and I don't know, exercising really keeps me happy here whenever my mind is like going down the drain. But like, I don't know, it just helps me when I work out. And I got like dumbbells, 6 kg dumbbells, so they're like super heavy and challenging, and I love it. And then I've never actually lived in a place with a lot of pillows. Like, let's be honest, this is a lot to do when you're changing the bed sheets, because in my head I'm like, there are 6 pillows to change. This is not my lifestyle, honest to God. I only sleep with one, sometimes I sleep with none, but it's hard for people to understand. And then those are my boxes. Like, I have a short person problem. This is my soft box, guys. I said it on Instagram, I'm never dismantling this until the day I'm about to check out of this country, because that was hard work right there. And then that box up there, that box was a miracle. It got up there because I'm very short. Like, my shortness is out of, I don't know why I'm 5'3", because I really feel 5'2", but then it went up there. That's all that matters. And we're back to the mirror. We're back. Just in case you're wondering, this apartment is actually an Airbnb. But then again, too, if you're looking for a place to stay, I would ask my landlord if I can share his details, because I do have like his business card. And just so that in case you're looking for an apartment to stay in Prague, you would actually like have a point of contact. And then, okay, for also to apartments, you can actually get apartments from flatzo.com. I'll leave it on the screen, or you could actually check Facebook Marketplace. But then the thing with Facebook Marketplace is that, I don't know, Facebook Marketplace can be filled with shady people, and then sometimes you're just like, I don't know if I'll be able to deal with like the shade and know if it's real or not real, like who is legit and who is not legit. So that's why I kind of like a little bit trust Airbnb, but it's just things too can also to go wrong. And this guy is super reliable, because some of my castmates actually like booked with him, and you know, they had like so many good things to say about him, and it was so true. Like, the guy responds so quickly and all that. But also too, if you're like in any other part of the world and you just happen to stumble on my apartment, like, hi, I love you too. And you're just like maybe looking for a student accommodation or any other place in Europe, you could actually check Amber Student. Amber Student is the student accommodation provider. It's a private student accommodation provider, and they provide an accommodation for students in Europe, in America, in Asia, and South Asia, in Australia, in America, and in Europe. So if you fall under this category, you know, check the link in my description too. And they're also too like legit too, just in case you're like trying to pick a place that's like super safe and secure. And the link to my description also comes with like a £20 worth of discount. So like, you know, pounds is like the highest currency. It is. So you're actually getting a good deal, and the place is super affordable and beautiful. So just in case you're actually looking for somewhere outside Prague, but if you're looking for somewhere within Prague, I would say check Airbnb. And if my landlord allows, I will share his details. But super nice guy actually. And then here is my favorite room. It's my favorite room just because like I've kept it the way it was like when I first came here, because I'm really hopeful that my flatmate does come join me, because I'm like paying full rent, that and other things aside. But like, it's a beautiful space, and I just wanted to keep it the way it was, just so that it feels new, like whenever she enters here, because I've lived in this apartment, it feels, everything is me, and I want this to still feel like hers. And it's a beautiful room. I love this room, and her plant too is also too real. I love the mirror. Yes. It's not thriving, no. Her plants are not thriving. I might actually water them. I barely entered this room because I miss my flatmate that was supposed to be with me. But this is what the room looks like, and that's her own plant. And here actually comes with a lot of storage space. That's like storage, and this is her bed. And if you're watching this, Neymar, I miss you, girl. Come join me. Come join me, would you please? Could you kindly join me? But I've left it the way it is. I also too, I love her chandelier. I love it. It's simple, it's classic. It ties well to the room. Yeah. Where the money resides, 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 where the money resides. Don't try this at home.